sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Nicole Cole. I hope y'all enjoyed that little quick trip. My husband had to go to Shreveport for work and I tagged along with him. I did get some things in the process. I didn't get much in Laurel, Mississippi. It was packed in Laurel and there was construction everywhere. So I did get a t-shirt and a coffee cup and we went to the Scotsman and I got my husband some things and of course I got Bear something. So, but we're back home now and I wanted to kind of show y'all, I got some things from Hobby Lobby and I had gotten some things in from Pine and Ivy. And I wanted to show y'all, if y'all hear something in the background, I've already got our clothes washing from our trip. So that's the washing machine going off in the background. So we went to Hobby Lobby and took advantage of the 40% off. And because we don't have a Hobby Lobby here where I live. I did pick up, and I'll see if I can take them out of the box. It's a box of 4, and they're beautiful acorns, and they're kind of heavy. But this is the box. This is the acorns, and they are really pretty. And my thought was, I could use these because, and I'll explain to that to you in just a second. But I could use these at Christmas, and I can use them now for fall. So aren't those really, really pretty? And I love the touch of gold on the top. So there's a pack of 4 of those. So I got those. I got this super sweet picture. I love pictures and y'all probably already know that. But there's the name of that. But that came from Hobby Lobby and that was 40% off. I also, because I was thinking about my truck on my farmhouse area. So I got some tiny little pumpkins. They were $5.99 with 40% off. I got a bag of corn, Indian corn. I did that the same way. And then my thought was on those acorns. Oh wait, left something out for the truck. So I got some wheat and I got some hops. So I thought that would be kind of pretty sticking out of that truck. So I was thinking about my farm area. So let's go into the dining room, kind of what I'm thinking here. I got these super sweet little cutting boards and they were $3.99 with 40% off. So I got 4 of these and I thought I could easily do some greenery or some fall something or other with these on each place mat. I don't know yet, but that's kind of my thought process. So I got 4 of those little cutting boards. I lucked across these. I didn't realize that this would be considered fall decor, but I got these 40% off, and I'm sorry, I've already taken the tag off of them, so I don't really know how much I spent for them. I got this one, and I got this one, and they do have lights in them. Let's see. I didn't even do that. Isn't that sweet, guys? You can use that at Christmas. So I can use this for fall and Christmas. That's what I loved about these. And the acorns as well. I also picked up one of these. They have a lot of these ticking stripe, the green and white ticking stripe. And I don't know if a lot of you've seen, but I have those old plastic, not plastic, kind of like a resin, spongy type pumpkins. And my thought was, I love this green on here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I love this green, but I'm thinking of going a little bit darker. So I'm going to paint those orange pumpkins green, like an emerald green, and do a coppery stem on them and mix in with my existing white or creamy color pumpkins. I think that would be really pretty. I am going to use some orange. This came from Pine and Ivy. This is one of those half spheres that I've been showing you all. And it's got the pumpkin little, they call the color pumpkin, guys. So these little berries are a pumpkin color. But isn't that precious? I love this. These particular ones, and that doesn't have a price on it. Let's see if this one does. Yes, these are $13.95 a piece, and I got 2 of those, but they're quite big, so you could stick them down in a basket, you can stick them on top of a cup, and I think that would be really, really pretty. I also got 2 of these, and they were probably a little bit more than I would normally spend, but I loved that birch wood look of these. This one here was $11.95, and then this one was $14.95. So to talk about getting, oh, one more thing, I got this from Hobby Lobby, and this, let me see if I can go back far enough. This is a thankful sign. I've been wanting one of these. These were $29.99 with 40% off. So I have been wanting one, and I snagged one. So let's discuss fall decor. So after kind of seeing some of my other friends on YouTube, I think that we need to kind of go ahead and get that started maybe around the latter part of this month. So I am going to begin doing my fall decor the latter part of August, because I want to help y'all get ready for your house. So we're going to work on, from now until that time that I start decorating, we're going to work on some little craft projects. We're going to paint some pumpkins. We're going to make some pumpkins. We're going to do some things together. I've noticed that a lot of navy and then that dark emerald green color is very popular. And I think I want to incorporate that in what I have now. Maybe changing some things I already have into the newer style. So y'all will notice that I will take the things that I already have and kind of recreate them. It saves a ton of money. If you bought decor for every season, every time, it gets super expensive. So I thought I would kind of share with y'all my ideas on that. So I hope y'all enjoyed our little trip. We loved it. We had a good time. I would have loved to have spent more time in Laurel, but like I said, it was so crowded to get out into a big crowd just yet. So we had fun in Shreveport. Louisiana's pretty to visit, but I love Alabama, and I'm so glad to be back home. We both are. But I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little trip with us. We needed a little break, but we're so happy to be back home. Y'all give me a big thumbs up, and let's get started on some fall decorations, and then we'll decorate together. Thank y'all so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.